official NI event, but this is just awesome to see this many people in the community coming out for something like this. Also, I wanted to make sure I remember to say that NI does, although we're not sponsoring this event, we are going to sponsor a happy hour that you're all welcome to. So just on my lunch break, I went over to Alderwood Mall. There's a place called Claim Jumper there. They have a nice big area. They're ready for us. I told them all 90 of us are coming. No, well, however we can make it would be great. But we'd love to have you there. We'll have some drink spots, some appetizers, things like that. So after this ends, we can all go over there to Claim Jumper. Let me know if you have any questions about that.
Wait for the traffic to clear.
Yeah, or just walk. It's half a mile. I don't know.
We
But
can go there with the traffic clear before we drive home.
oh, okay. All right. So real quick, my talk is about System Link. So how many people here have heard of System Link? A lot of people. Pretty good. All right, nice. Yeah, so I know, again, this event is not a sales pitch, so that's not my intent. But I also know that this is a tool that a lot of people are interested in or use or might be interested in. So I just want to share a little bit at a high level about what this tool is. So System Link we kind of had an early release in 2017, and then a second release last year, and this year at NI Week there becomes the third version of System Link coming out. So it's been out there in the market for a little while. We've had some early adopters. I know Jason Smith from Blue Origin is here. He's actually going to be speaking about System Link at NI Week here in a few weeks. So he's also a great resource on this tool. At a high level, System Link is a software tool that NI is putting out for managing like distributed test systems. So this could be lots of scenarios. You know, this could be anywhere where you have a bunch of different testers doing different things. Could be distributed geographically. Maybe you have a condition monitoring application where you have meters at sites or plants all around the world. Maybe you have some labs here in the Northwest, but you have contract manufacturers in Asia or some other global region. Or maybe you just have many different types of test systems and test racks at your facility or your site, and you need some kind of high-level architecture kind of glue to have a standardized way of visualizing the data and visualizing what your testers are doing and controlling and monitoring those. I'm going to click through a little bit here. So at a high level, it basically offers three core functionalities, right? So you're able to control and visualize your different testers. So we have systems management, right? So actually managing the test racks themselves. So imagine like you have a whole bunch of testers out there, you're writing new software for them, you're upgrading them, you're fixing bugs, and you want to be able to just click a button from your office and deploy software updates out to all your meters in the field. So we can do things like that. We can actually monitor the health and status of those meters, know like when they need calibration, if something needs repair, it can report back to us, so it'd be a push notification back into System Link. Test management, the second one, so we can actually see like which tests are currently running on which of our testers. And we can visualize those test results as they come in. It's actually kind of similar to some of the functionality that John was just showing, being able to visualize what your tests are doing at a bunch of different locations. Measurement, data management. So data management is also a huge piece of this. So System Link integrates with Diadem and other tools. Not that you have to use Diadem, but if you want some standard ways for visualizing your data, if your data is coming in different formats, you can standardize those and be able to kind of see, what your different testers are doing and compare those and create custom reports that can be programmed to be delivered at certain times or when certain events happen. So this kind of, talks through some of the same functionality there. I'm going to skip through this. This is kind of talking at a high level about the architecture. So you have like a web app, so this can be visualized in a web browser. So you could even visualize it on mobile or on a PC or what have you. That web portal then communicates with a high-level server, and that server is going to communicate to your different nodes via TCP/IP. So you can you can see what's going on at all the different nodes there, and you have all your different health metrics on your screen that can be configured or rearranged how you like. And I want to give a shout out here also to Jason, who's going to be talking about it. They're one of our early adopters there at Blue Origin. We have some other companies here in the area that are using this for their distributed systems. And some of the other advantages that we have, it's open and extensible, so it doesn't only work with LabVIEW and TestStand and Diadem and NI tools, but it works with other development environments as well. We have secure communication protocols worked out if you're communicating, to facilities where that's important to you. you know, you can lock down, you know, the communication there. And we also have a, you know, cloud capability, so you can use this in the AWS cloud, and potentially even some other cloud services coming out soon. That's what I had to share. Did I come in on
You got 2 minutes.
I got 2 minutes left. Well, I'm gonna give it to the next speaker, make sure we can stay on track. But yeah, well, definitely let me know if you have any questions afterwards, and hope to see you guys at the happy hour there.